Welcome back, everybody. It's day 3 of documenting my journey of turning my 2015 Subaru Outback into the ultimate camping rig. So the last couple episodes I kind of showed you what I've done to the car. I showed you like the future buy list for what I need to do to add to the car. But before I do that, I also have a list of things that I need to do to the car to prepare it to get ready to go camping, to add stuff to it, everything like that. So that's kind of what we're going to talk about today. And some of it's going to kind of like overlap with the buy list because obviously those two kind of go hand in hand together. So these are in no particular order. This is just kind of the list that I can think of right now of stuff that I definitely want to get done. At the top, you can obviously see posting 1 video a day. That's pretty important to the whole documenting this journey thing. So I got to make sure to stay on top of that, which I've been doing good so far. Sometimes I get a couple videos a day put out. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just got to post every day. Next up, this one's kind of a big one and kind of an urgent one. This one's, I got to get my brakes done. Honestly, they're pretty rough right now. You can see I took a little video of me looking at one of the front wheel wells. That stuff that you see on my fingers is brake dust. Those front ones definitely need to get changed, and it's really a pretty simple thing for me to go do. I just haven't had the time to go do it yet between work and everything else. But I'm definitely going to be getting those done hopefully this week, maybe next week. And maybe film it. I don't know. We'll see. I might film part of it. Next up, replace the tires. The tires I have on there right now, they're not awful, but they are getting close to a time where they're going to need to be getting replaced. And if you guys are coming from the last video, you'll know that I haven't quite decided which ones yet. I think I'm going to go with the Falcon Wild Peaks, but the Geolanders are also a really good choice. So make sure to leave a comment if you prefer one over the other, or if you've had both and you like one. Next up is just setting up that storage system, that little system that I have in the back that you guys have seen that I built out. It's pretty organized. It's not super dirty. I do have like these little Tupperware drawers that I can slide underneath. Want to make sure to clean all the stuff that's out underneath there right now, so I can be able to put those guys back in, and then just organizing the top, getting those beach chairs out of there that have been in there way too long, everything like that. Pretty simple stuff. See, next one, I got to clean out the car. I mean, that one is an ongoing to-do list. It feels like living in Florida, you're always cleaning out the car because you're always tracking sand in it. So it's just getting the sand cleaned out, making sure that it's staying nice and pretty during these videos and during the camps, and not putting any extra wear on it that needs to go on it as far as like normal everyday wear and tear, stuff like that. So next up is attaching the rooftop tent. I don't have the rooftop tent yet, so this one's kind of low on the list. That's on there, making sure that I get that guy on there, making sure that the rooftop tent I do get is compatible with the front runner roof rack that I have, which most of them are. Some I've seen you might have to make minor adjustments, but for the most part they're pretty simple. Another kind of big one is getting this steering wheel cover put on. It's kind of an added onto the to buy list, as you can see there, but I need to get a steering wheel cover because, as you can see, the Florida Sun mixed with black leather do not pair well. So the top is kind of getting some decent wear and tear there, and I want to stop it before it gets any worse. So I'm just going to throw a cover on there because that's just kind of the easiest way to go about it. It's simple. It's like $20 some for one of those, so it's no big deal. And then lastly, just getting the windshield fixed. I have a tiny little pebble crack from driving on the highway, and it feels like this is the 3rd or 4th time this has happened on that Subaru. And just luck of the draw, I guess. Luckily in Florida, it's free to get your windshield replaced if you go through insurance. So I'll probably just do that. Again, that one is super simple. It's just finding the time to do it. But other than that, that's pretty much what I have on the list right now. I'm sure I'll be adding more to the list as I start to find out more things about, when I start buying things and stuff that I'll need and everything. But it's pretty simple. There's nothing too crazy on the list. It's just finding the time to get it all done and going from there. So thanks again for joining me for day 3 of documenting my journey of turning my 2015 Subaru Outback into the ultimate camping rig. And we'll see you on day 4.